Hi guys, now I'm here to explain a topic called multivibrator. A multivibrator is an electronic circuit used to implement a variety of simple two-stage systems such as oscillators, timers and flip-flop. It is characterized by the two amplifier devices such as transistor, electron tubes or other device cross coupled by the resistor and capacitors. It has two stages, 0 is low and 1 is high. This is the diagram of the multi-vibrator. Basic types. There are three types of multi-vibrator circuit, which is unstable, bistable and monostable. Okay. Unstable multi-vibrator. Unstable in which the circuit is not stable in either state. It is continuously oscillated from one state to other state. Due to this, it does not require any input. Unstable multivibrator are a type of free running oscillator that have no permanent meter or steady state but continuously changing their output from one state which is low to the other state which is high and then back again to this original state. Thus the condition switching action from high to low and low to high produce a continuous square wave output which timing circle is determined by the time constant of the resistor capacitance as the network connected to it. This is the unstable multivibrator of AND gate. Okay. Application. Unstable multivibrator are used in the amateur radio equipment to receive and transmit radio signal. Unstable multivibrator are also used in the Morse code generators, timers and system that requires a square wave, including a television broadcast and alarm circuits. Advantage. Unstable multivibrator continuously switch between one state and another state. This allows the unstable multivibrator to produce themselves and perform work at a constant rate without influence from any outside force or events. Additionally, unstable multivibrator are inexpensive to produce or relatively simple in the designs and can remain functionally for the extraordinary amount of time. Disadvantage. Unstable multivibrator do not transfer the entire output signal to the input. This is due to the resistance within the circuit, lack of a completely closed loop at the output terminal, and the tendency for one capacitor of a transistor to absorb energy at a slightly different rate than the other. Although the amplifier restores the lost energy when it amplifies the signal, the signal will eventually too small to be of any use. Now we are going to discuss about bistable multivibrator. Bistable multivibrator circuit, both states are stable and the circuits will remain in either state indefinitely. This type of multivibrator circuit passes from one state to other state only when a suitable external trigger pulse T is applied and through full set reset cycle to triggering pulse are required. This type of circuit is also known as bistable latch, toggle latch or some T-latch flip-flop. Such a circuit is important as the fundamental building blocks of the register or memory device. Then a bistable latch or a toggle latch in two states device in which the both state either positive or negative, logic 1 or logic 0 are stable. This is the structure of bistable multivibrator. In here we are using a NAND gate bistable multivibrator. Application. Bistable multivibrator have many applications such as frequency dividers, counters or as the storage device in computer memory, but they are best used for the circuit such as latch and counters. now we are going to discuss about monostable multi-vibrator. Monostable have only one stable state and is triggered externally with its returning back to its first stable state. Monostable multi-vibrator or one-shot pulse generator are used to generate a single output pulse, either high or low, when a suitable external trigger signal or pulse T is applied. The formula is time constant T is 0.8 Rc plus trigger in seconds. This is the structure of monostable multi-vibrator. Here we are using NAND gate monostable structures. Application: monostable multi-vibrator are used in number of applications and can be found where a square wave or time or interval is necessary for the success of a system. For example, monostable multi-vibrator were one used in an analog system to control an output signal frequency, synchronize the line and frame rate of the television broadcast, and even moderate the tunes of a different octaves with the electronic organs. Additionally, before the integrator circuit invention, monostable multi-vibrator were connected together in a series to a drive frequencies. Advantage: monostable multi-vibrator generate output signal at a timed interval in the form of square waves. They are half the size of a stable multi-vibrator and can therefore be used in more dry situations. Monostable multi-vibrator can be connected to one another to provide additional functionality. They are relatively simple in the design and are expensive when compared with the type of oscillators. Disadvantage: one main disadvantage of the monostable multi-vibrator is that the time between the application of the next trigger pulse T has to be greater than Rc, time constant of the circuit. Thank you.